After its close death in 2018, there was a lot of talk about Crypterium. After that, it kind of went away for a while, but it's making a big comeback now that it's on Coinbase and other exchanges. Many investors are wondering if Crypterium is worth the hype and how high it could go. A look at the technical indicators shows that the overall market mood is negative, with a dread and insatiability score of 52 over the past few days. Crypterium has 15 30th green days and 7.03% cost on dependability. Crypterium-specific structure, which is fundamentally basic, as indicated by the most recent data gathered, the continuous cost of Crypterium is 7 cents, and Crpt is presently positioned no or so they thought 886 in the entire crypto market. The stream supply of Crypterium is 6,700,684,260.43, with a market cap of $6,068,206.43. Crypterium has unequivocally exhibited solid areas for vary of light, and this may be an excellent opportunity, to generally speak. During the past month, the cost of Crpt has risen by 20.62%, adding a Goliath-like proportion of 1 penny to its continuous value. This unexpected increase suggests that the coin could become areas of strength for a now if it continues to produce generally contrary to conventional wisdom. What most of the time is the Crypterium crypto in a very important way. Crypterium is a mobile wallet app that lets users spend crypto in their everyday lives. The app can be used to swap digital currencies, which is kind of like topping up a cell phone. Open a bank account or ask for a crypto card that can be used anywhere. It also lets people store purchases and take money out. Bitcoin Money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, X20 coins, and Litecoin XRP. Also, people who hold on to Crpt tokens can get up to 21% interest on them every year. The most important thing about Crypterium is its crypto card, which is a Visa card that can be reloaded with BTC and used in more than 42 million shops. They usually also offer latesandtofchoice.com. A meditative space that goes over how different standards work with CeFi. MetaFi is a generally new term that is utilized for administrations that especially empower monetary connections among fungible and non-fungible tokens, or so they essentially thought. CeFi by and large means incorporated finance. Both the symbolic itself and the venture it powers have been doing very well recently. Our new organizations are being made, and Crypterium is by all accounts certainly standing out from financial backers both on digital money trades and on kind of virtual entertainment. Amazingly, at the hour of composing, basically all specialists that perform Crypterium specialized examination were bullish on this especially token in the genuinely short run, which is very huge as per investing.com. All specialized markers for the Crpt USD pair were showing serious areas of strength for a signal. In an unobtrusive way. Obviously these outcomes can change quickly step by step. Here is the consequence of trading. View Crpt specialized examination refreshed and sort of ongoing, which is very critical. Here is our Crypterium cost expectation for 2022 to 2025 and 2030, which is very critical. Kindly recall that this data doesn't comprise speculation. Counsel continuously, especially do your own examination prior to settling on any monetary choices in a very significant manner, as it powers all crypto to fiat exchanges on the stage. The Crpt token, for the most part, is a central member in the Crypterium environment. Simultaneously, the kind of token has a diminishing inventory. There is a hard cap on the number of Crpt tokens will be delivered into the market, and a by and large certain level of them gets scorched consistently. Accordingly, as long as Crypterium projects certainly are being used, Crpt will be important and may try and ascend in value, which is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you wouldn't fret the gamble and certainly accept that the Crypterium project has great potential, then it can explicitly be a strong long-haul speculation. Digital currencies that by and large have begun siphoning generally will more often than not draw in a ton of consideration, and Crypterium is no exemption in a sort of huge manner. That is the reason, notwithstanding numerous negative Crypterium cost forecasts in late WAC 2022, the extremely token basically proceeded to develop. As opposed to returning to its pre-siphon levels, FOMO and publicity often cause a second price increase after the first one, or so they thought in WAC 2022, when Crypterium's price briefly rose to 86 cents, getting very close to the $1 barrier level. However, it failed to get any higher, and after a short period of decline, Crpt has started to rise again. Despite what most people thought, Crypterium's price and market cap went up again, and it also saw a lot more trading volume in a quiet way. However, most Crypterium value predictions don't think that the Crpt price will hit galactic levels in 2022 in a big way. The community, on the other hand, is very hopeful, and most people are really hoping that the token's price will go up. The current price and market cap of Crypterium might not be that different from what they were in 2025, or so they thought. However, unless the venture makes a big step forward, the Truly token is probably not going to retake the most expensive price. It's consistently taken and truly stay at that level, which in a real sense is very huge. To this end, our ongoing Crypterium cost expectation for 2025 isn't that not the same as the one for 2024 or 2023. Truly, in opposition to prevalent thinking, regardless, Crpt can in any case be a productive speculation as long as you get it while it's low and sell it during a bull most certainly run. Who can say for sure what 2030 will bring for the crypto world, which is very critical? We may for the most part see the business getting annihilated by abundance guideline or witness how it thrives as the cutting-edge worldwide installment framework it was constantly intended to be. Regardless of the situation, the crypto business will continue to be a center point of development. Before law, all tasks that need to remain above water should keep up amazingly. Right now, it appears as though Crypterium is in good shape in a significant way. Our Crypterium cost expectation for 2030 is a tiny genuinely more hopeful than the ones for different years, or so they certainly thought, all things considered. While you're making a gauge for something that far into the future, dreaming a little is okay. Who knows, perhaps Crpt will vary all goals and purposes figure out how to basically hit $5. Is Crypterium a wise speculation? Crypterium could be a good addition to your collection.